Very fun, beautiful. Even the two for Niue and the watermelon, look.
Oh man. Fale fatu Macau. Pongi atu. Ahone o maua ki Niue ke afangi e Fale Akoako ke sia. Morning people, it's Saturday morning. It's January the 4th in New Zealand time. And we're flying, me and my mum, back to Niue to go see the Fale Akoako. As you can see, it's the usual, get the suitcases ready. Yep, made some space so someone could fit their oranges in the suitcase. I decided to leave my lamb at home because I just make it easier. So it's 4:45 and we're gonna go leave here at 5 to go to the airport, weigh in our stuff. I got an online ticket, which is very handy. I already checked in. Just have to go and get one of those tags and put it on the suitcase, weigh it, and then I'm done. Yeah, so we're pretty excited, eh, Mum?
Yep.
So everyone's just getting ready, wearing red. And yeah, it's pretty good. This time my family's not coming with me, so it's a bit different. They're all still at home sleeping, but they're going to Tauranga. They're going to be performing at the Wiggles show down in Tauranga, which is exciting for them. I just woke up at 4 and now I'm at my mum's 4:45. It's just a hard and fast situation at the moment. But yeah, looking forward to going back to Niue and seeing what the Fale Akoako was like. Whakaalo whātu Macau, hoko mai ama o ki Niue. Whānau mawhisi kia, ki Fale o te tau mena si liu, o hake o mai, o maua.
There's still a bit to do on the house, but it's nice. He said, oh, because there's here outside spot.
Whakalawhalahi atu ma tau kau hae koe o mai amoa si ai mawhisi a John, hi roi John ko hau e ke kai he raw fish ko mau Wai tau ko whitai raw fish e tau se emi mo Ross hae no hau kama Ross.
Yep.
Si wai ma tonu ne lonofo ke kai hae e ika ai hae misi niwe fua niu niwe hae e talo hae talo.
Yep, talo it.
Hae talo ai.
Chow manganone is my favorite.
Hae fua niu hae oka.
Hae poki.
Hae.
With the kai niue.
Kai niwe ai. This is the best
My
for
chili
me.
polo. I have to have chili polo when I eat. No meal without a chili polo.
And this is the fish head. Yummy. I like it. Hae misi. Pakawe lahi. Yeah. Lahi ngahu hae mi au nei. He tau se he kai ke kai a mautoro he mai he ko e lahi tō. You to talk for me, Ross. Anything? Miss for you, Nangi. Welcome.
Welcome to Niue. Fale toiwa.
Wow, he to drink a coconut.
It's so sweet.
Missy means suck.
Suck it up.
Hai na e Missy e for you. Hai foki e polo mangiho.
Oh yeah?
You're different tomorrow when you're
Yeah.
still in the physical home.
Wow.
Push it still good.
Yeah.
You'll be all clean tonight.
Man.
This is the back. This concrete is yesterday.
Gee.
Last spend a lot of wind, eh?
Yeah. Man.
Yeah, these your uncle.
Oh. Mitri. Uncle. Akoako.
Hello?
Hello. Oh.
See the linesman, eh? Nice shoe. The fit. Bro, John there again. Damn it.
Oh.
When I find him, bro.
Wow. Gee.
Tied him.
Wow.
Come tomorrow, be nice.
Yeah.
You read it tomorrow.
Wow.
Hook up the car tonight.
Yeah. Oh, hook up the power tonight. Clean it up.
Just putting the car, man.
Oh.
But I will do all the inside.
Oh.
Just putting the lines in the black box inside, and I will connect the
Gee.
lot of work, but damn deep.
Yeah, yeah.
Exciting heads up.
Man, very exciting.
All the foods,
Yeah.
stove, the lights,
Gee.
shower thing. You'll install the night. Once they finish all the painting, put up the roof in more.
Gee.
They finish off the decking on this side.
Yeah. Wow.
Finish off the decking on this side.
Oh, yeah.
Pass the door in. Step in it.
Gee, so you're gonna extend the deck?
Yeah. That is long here.
Oh,
It's something like it all.
yeah.
You just walk from here to there.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
Yeah.
So good.
Man. Some lucky person's gonna live here soon, eh?
Oh, hello, bro. Hey, van der Wijk.
Cool. I've just been blessed to get a private viewing of the Fale Akoako by Uncle Ian. And there's my other uncle, Dimitri. He's coming to Langamotai. So this is amazing. Just sorting out the roofing iron. As you can see, here's our brothers. Yeah. So this is what's happening now. Yeah. There's the bird. Man, it's been a few years since I saw you, eh? You were in high school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, hey, what are you here for? Holiday?
Just for tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
And then going back on Liwa to Ahua.
Oh, you're going back Tuesday?
Yeah. So,
Good on you for coming over here now. Misery.
brother, you're fluent Bangahau Niue now, eh? You can speak it good now. You got any tips, bro? Because you got here speaking Samoan, eh? And now you can speak bilingual.
Speak a few.
Oh, what languages can you speak?
When little bit tongue, but I can speak fluent Tuvalu,
Tuvalu, Niue,
and Niue.
and English. So that's 4. Tongan?
A little bit.
Little bit.
Still learning.
You got any tips for people wanting to learn languages?
For Niue.
Yeah, any language, yeah.
Like if you want to learn like a new language, like you start with basics.
Yeah.
Like you start with like what's your name?
Oh, yeah.
Like my name is.
Yeah.
And like you go like where you from?
Yeah.
Yeah, what family and all that. My parents. Start off like that.
Oh, simple way. Oh, nice. Now look at
Just count 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, in like when you win, you just like try it and say 1, 2, 3, you win.
Yeah.
And then just basics. And then introduce yourself. That's it. Then you will catch up.
Yeah. So how many years now you been in Niue?
8 years.
Has it been 8 years already?
Yeah, 8 years.
2018 was it you come or?
17.
2017.
Really?
Fast. And how's it moving to Niue from Samoa?
Well, here it's like peaceful. You do your own thing.
Yeah.
No one wants you. You don't have to rush.
Yeah.
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 Like if your kid go to school, you go to school and go ahead.
Oh.
Simple life.
Yeah.
But if a person who works, you just go work.
Yeah.
Do family stuff.
Yeah.
You know, like you have time for your family.
Yeah.
That's the life.
Oh, wow.
Not like other places like busy.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's all about white person. You know, overseas, but over here you don't care.
Yeah.
Overseas, like whatever you do, everything you do belongs to a white person all the time. You have to be at your work before the boss will like tell you that.
Yeah.
No, here in Niue, you show up work late. Still full day.
True.
So it's good.
Oh yeah. And now so you working here, painting now, or you're a painter now?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Just back home to come.
All types of jobs. Oh, sweet man. Oh, wow. Yo, it's amazing what's been accomplished so far. Ian's just been in office for 1 term, and look what he's accomplished in his first term, building Fale Akoako. Yep, he's the man himself. Never's not working.
Yep.
Yeah. So he builds, he does plumbing, he does electrical, and he's the minister of Hikotabaku. So yeah, he first term he's done what's built this house for the next Fale Akoako. Also helps put in the hot water, toilet, built windows for the older people in the village. Doing amazing things, eh? So I'm just blessed to be a part of this. Had a mean lunch at his house, and now he's just coming to work. I better grab a paintbrush, or I better do something, because now I'm just in the way. But yeah, some more can be accomplished. We're here because my mom helped fundraise. She helped the people in New Zealand to raffle tickets, send money over just to help out with the fundraising, because Ian's been doing it a lot on his own pocket. A lot of it's been done on his own money. So yeah, the budget wasn't huge, so this is amazing. Houses like this, I think like 200,000, 300,000, 400,000. But yeah, just for a lot of labor, a lot of connections is able to come through. So yep, tomorrow it's gonna look a lot different, and we'll see you tomorrow. Okay. Uncle's been going for ages, going hard, breaking that rock non-stop. I don't know how old this fella is, but man, it's like he's in his 20s. We just finished the shelter up there, and now the bro, Jeremiah, he was in the deadlifting comp when I did the bodybuilding comp. He's doing the deck, fixing up the deck. So he's doing that. Guy here, I forgot his name, but he's doing the door. He's doing the door, and Uncle's just powering ahead because we're going to put a deck over here. This place up to there. Put a deck there, so walk out the door and deck. But it's hectic, and the guys inside just been painting hard out. This guy there is doing electrical. These guys come here, setting up the marquee, the tent, all along. I forgot his name. Kingston's friend. His name was Kingston. Yeah, so it's bloody fantastic. All good. My mom's gone home to have a rest because she's been up. Hasn't had slept much. So yeah. I don't have any earplugs, that's why I came back. Alright, we're having a lunch / dinner break here. Pinky cooked the food. Oh, yep. Got feedback from Jeremiah. Mean feed. The tire got smashed. All the fish gone. Oh man, I have one more. Oh, the crunch. The corned beef. Man. Thank you, Ross. The boys are still working hard. I'm not sure what time it is. Might be close to midnight. Still going hard. The thing happens tomorrow on full 10 o'clock, so still going. See what happens. I'll message back closer to the end. Okay. Oh, wow, I think after that feed I can go for another 5 hours. Alright. Beautiful chef. The food was delicious. No complaints?
You come to take a photo and all the food is gone.
Yes, yeah. My eyes saw the food and I couldn't wait. Yeah, it was delicious.
There was sapasui, there was haru.
Yeah. Wow.
Thank you for staying and helping.
No worries. Well, for a meal like that, why not? It's worth it.
Cool bananas.
Cool bananas. Yeah. Whakalawha atu makau, it's the next day. Last night left at 9:30. Back here, hafa ono. Man, this is the post. And Ian's already started. Rustling. More building he's doing. Wow. Morning. There's the chef, number one chef.
Hi.
Yeah. And that's the work we did in the day last night. Wow. Look at that. And these guys coming. Awesome. These guys. Wow. Zhuzhing up the area. It looks beautiful. Whakalawha. So Ian has been up all night building. My mate, my supervisor Dimitri, he just arrived. Auntie Rosalind, Pinky, she said she crashed out last night and then she got up 3 a.m. in the morning to start working. Amy, just saw Amy, she just arrived from the shops buying more things just for today. Kamata hala hangafulu. It's all on. So I'm just here doing all odd jobs, small jobs, whatever they need. Yeah, but these guys are gonna fix the deck. So you can see the deck here. Nathalie's doing that. He's on. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. So this is Dimitri just measuring up the deck. My uncle Dimitri's inspired me to go back home and do my own deck, fence. So when I get back to New Zealand, I'm gonna start planning to do my fence. Thank you, uncle. There's knowledge how to get. I'm gonna pay for that knowledge. Nice work boots, uncle. Huh? Nice work boots. Yeah. So, yep. And that's that. Here we are. I've just been here maybe 20 minutes. Over there. It's getting further down the track. Sharks. Just goes to show if you got the right tools, the right people, you can get things done pretty quickly. And I'm just watching and learning at the moment. I have no experience whatsoever. But man, tō taha itaki. Yeah, Mum's been been going hard since 6:30. And that's Pauline. She's been amazing, cleaning for her uncle and aunties. Yep. This is what they're doing. Wow. So we're still working hard. These boys, BJ came. He was up here till midnight last night. He came help with the deck. Pele along with Ian, been up all night working hard. I borrowed a shirt from my mum because I didn't expect myself to be working at all. And my last shirt from last night was sweaty and it's elo. So I asked my mum, "Whai tapulua ke aonga ke tui?" She gave me this one. This is the top I get her. How do I know? I love Samui, Thailand. And what? Look at this. Ripped apart. They must promote green, biodegradable, fast biodegradable. You can bury this and it disintegrates. Awesome Thailand for making biodegradable products. I'm not sure what the time is now, but it's getting close. Liwatu ki kaina ke kaukau. Siliu mai ke hawhangi Fale Akoako. They've done that. That's amazing. I think it's makefu. I saw a lady wearing makefu top, that's why I'm saying makefu, but I'm not sure. Apologies to the people, but they've done an amazing job setting this up. And as you saw yesterday, the deck was, this is the deck now with the master builder here. Have a look. Yep. Precision. Absolute precision. Yep. You're just leveling off the posts so it's all flush with the decking. As you can see. It's just a little bit. Yeah. Here's Pele. Pele's up since all night. All nighter. Yeah, last finishing touches.
Rifu he Akoako ni leweki ke mahaunei. Omo tulosi katoa he mana. Rafula iatu ke tau tulosi. Hau atu ke patofa ko te taki. Pe hapu hi ke whakamawhanasia. Pe ore atu ke amtūru. A maanga whakahere ke a maanga he tauwharata. Aone mtūru he tauwharanga. He tau anoanga mo he tau kisianga ke rātai mo he tau tūru a mutu kosanei. Ki sia whoki. Ke he mana whoki. Hei ngāro ke tau mātua mtūru. Si mana kia. Ki hia whoki, ki fufu ao, ki tupuanga, ki maanga whakahere nei. Āhara nei. Maria, ki muina tau tuosi, kuena ia.
Koe maanga, tū tā, tū ilunga. Mai he ha mautolu a tau mamatua. Si manatu whoki au ke ai tūku ki lalo. E tau mahua he ha mautolu a maanga. Tahi mangi koe tau. Whakaoe lahi maha ki kia mautolu. E tau takitaki ne takitaki hei e maanga nei mai whakamua. O au koe takitaki maanga he ha mautolu maanga whakamua. Ne tau se hei halatahi ko i veituku. O whakalofo lahi whoki ke takitaki maanga ko mataere. Tau tangata mautolu leo tonga mai hana ma whaoa. tau tangata ni he maanga mo tolu, wa pese ni e kau whalataka e whakau e lai, ke tau mahua osi he mo tolu a maanga, e aho nei. Tō uho teo e lolong hako ni whakaako mai he whaiaonga, o kope tā langi he whanau he aonga whahaia. Yeah. Mau tolu kua whakatolo wato, ki e aho nei kua kotofa. Whakaue ke he tau takitake ne haisia, i e tau pulenga. Ane e whakamolianga, i tawa ke na e fia na kai a koe. Oi, tawa ke a manga a hele, se o mai la ke kau whalata. Kai sia ki e whawheto ana ki, kai tō mau e loto whalata. A woi tawa ke na e whiana kai a koe. Whakalo whalai ke tau tangata, hiku tawa ke ne no nofo e tau manga. I loa e lo tolu si o hoko mai e lo tolu e aho nei ke kau whalata.
Matanga hua tahahila whaua na kailoa koe osi e mahala whi. Matua kuri pitoa o ana konomi hau. Ma konomi ku na kailoa e...
Maia, ki se ala koe mena mitakilahi mo e furufurola ke no nofo whakalataha hana tau matakainanga. He iki, tuki atu, na tuki tuaini ke moa. Ai pe tala no ni ke whakangā hua. Kakano, ai mana ka matolu. Ke mota wharifoma, mitaki he di pēr. Si vinanga kai ke whakaulu, mai ha whain. Tunga ia e speka ha niwe e pō e. Mo e tau pini e rau tau, haia.
Ue ka koe hako ke hau a manatu. Ke tae, me whakamori ke tae Fale Akoako ke lata mo hikutawaki. O e lahi o e tlo. Ua mai mo e ke pule ha hikutawaki. Ke tae koe Fale. Ke nofo e whakatikau he atua. Si pese ia ha, koe himoa e tō manatu e tō tangata hikutawaki ki ka liu ke vili foki. Ka i tua kai, nā ko tō e himoa hao ke legacy, he maanga ne ko hikutawaki. Ua fulu e tau, ke maana e Fale e. Tū noa, si koe hikutawaki koe tāna maanga nei, ne mahuinga lahi ki tō tangata tōro ke o mai ke o ki matapa. Si me aho nei foki, koe ue o he mokutogi he atua, ha koa hoko mai ke ufu mataha e tau tau. Ha koe ufu mataha nei, he tau e aho nei, ne koko e heta ke motu o tō tōru ki niwe. Longa i tau tupe, longa i tau kaina ne maona ka kaue ni ke atua, ha ke hana whakamalu mai ke tau tōru osi.
Ele fua niwe ko ke si ai au. Longe monu ina moe lahi e mapola. Ni sila ni moniwe ne ko whakave mau ke lunga e ma ko tuma we mane ana wholora e anga mai la ke tau whelo tona.
Kuat ni tu, ye ni mama, tu mai tadi mua, tu, tu kau ni mama.
Eu fiz o colo falei que todos se foi pedir, eu já não tô lá, tá todo lá, onde eu meio que, quando tá todo ali, tô saindo, falou esse que tinha negro, não tá do mundo, não tá, eu tô lá, ali fui, também sei muito, quando também na outra volta, ele foi ministrar, assim, o favorito que ele faz, espírito, Wala yung control ya. Ini control ya from. Terus yang mana penggunaan ini. Ya betul pun when I first became a member of Parliament for Tabaki a year ago, the vote in place, the people of Tabaki, they were doing their best in taking the village forward. And today marks the occasion to completion of this project. We only had 3 terms in office to serve us to make a difference, to saving people who have voted us. Otherwise, we would be doing them injustice. This project has been a trial for me, my wife and me. We have been through a lot of difficult times with insurance, after insurance, since the commencement in early 2023. However, we were able to surpass these challenges. We knew that this is the test from God on whether we had to face continue to work. I would like to thank my brother Usos who have helped and supported this project. Eleanor, Mickey, Akoako, the Tosset, Tony, my and son, Esther, all those who have been involved in some way or form, particularly at this inception stage. For my first people who are only money or more, last week has been a challenge with the weather in particular, last couple of days. Thank you. Nicky, DJ, Mika, Sean and Molly, Eric, Clayton. I am blessed to be surrounded by my brothers who have banded to come and support me during this last stage. This is what is important to look after our people. We treat them well and they will come and ask me for help. Well, because the dedication and support. I would like to acknowledge my family who have been primary support, in particular Brother Richard, Sister Sai in the village, Sister Pinky, Sister Wafa in her village, Brother Discipline, Sister Chris, Brother Liquid, Sister Hannah in family, Brother Andrew, Brother Lee in family, and their love and support. At the same time, I would like to thank Mama Tua, Auntie Maka, Auntie Tony, Uncle Tony and the children, Auntie Toy, and the children. My family has been strong hold in making the country and equipped to do. Oi, dona. Kalau menurut ni kita saya tak laki, Joyce, Alan, boleh support kita. Aku nak mention ni begitu. Funded this project already, people in Niue and good lady, supported Niue. And we were found a police to volunteer youth. Show all with the family, Tony and his children, and we were on behalf of your father, King. Lastly, I would like to thank the government of Niue for helping improving this project here at Niue with management. The National Secretary is Pauline Sertang, but most importantly, Ulrika Ingomole, and the young Eric, who is seen at Mama, who is in driving this project and co-financing of the family in the field. Last year we traveled to New Zealand and met with the Tabaki people inside in New Zealand. The idea was to plant this meeting. One chairman individual in Singapore responded, why wait to start now? And this is how it started. Wait to know, Mori ko tan, only si kuntu, kuntu, mori si ta. Kita, oleh ko yan. Tolong betul. Thank you for making this project a reality. Only I told you, no one recommend to me. We to look on you. Foki ke polotu, wei no foki. Wa whakapuke e tau poko. E tau kolo osi ni kua uho mai fulufuala. Whakaweanga manatu e te mai kua kautu. E Fale. Hape tau mahu mi taki kua maeke ke whakamoole e tau tolu. Oe tulau ki am tolu ne hoko mai e whenonga mai nisilani. Hape tau lima nang matai me tau o moianga. Ai nei kua maeke tau tolu ke kisia e Fale.
Wanga ia he moana Pasifika. Si whano lako si whano lako. Me loto fia fia. Longe tau talana kailo. A he mawe angale tau se tau. Tau e awako koe whetua hoki. Aku loto. Si whano lako koe me loto fia fia. Longe tau talana kailo. He mawe he angale tau se tau. Tau e awako koe whetua hoki. Aku loto.
Alfatu, well, there you have it. A whangi te e Fale Akoako. They use the kataoas to cut open the open it. So here they come. That's it. Favorite part is coming up. The lunchtime. But they're all going in. For the important people. Tau lilifu. Tau ekepules. Yeah, they're awesome. So here they come. That's the real photographer there, taking all the kitoata. And yeah, it's amazing. There's my Uncle Crossley coming up. That's my cousin Navy's wife. And yep, more people. Uncle Crossley. Oh, we got DJ. What's your DJ name? Oh yeah, this is Tasilalongo. Man, nice music. If you're wondering who it's coming from, Tauso. Yep, not Tauso, the La. Nice. Awesome music. Everyone else is just chilling in the shade. This is cool. This is the speaker of the house. We'll come to have a look. It's slowly coming. I think some people are a bit shy or they're waiting. Amazing. Wow, look, awesome weather. Yeah, so that's what's happening here. Puluwala e hone, ke kila e la, longa tau tangata. Humulie e tau kai, whewhia tau mata, whewhia tau tangata. It's all happening. Awesome day. And it's not even 12 o'clock yet, so lunchtime, we'll see how the food is. I'll put the cherry on the top. And then after that we can all sit back and relax. Papa's just up there. So forgot my swimming togs. Go back home and come back, have a swim. And yeah, all that hard work, as you heard from all the speeches, heaps of work on in. Ian doing the overtime, Pele, I forgot my brother's name, but he's doing the music now. He was up here last night. EJ and everyone. He's the Prime Minister here. Here's the Prime Minister here. He came. He's just taking off his jacket. It's too hot. Awesome. Now have to take a video of all the Take a bit of all the food. So I can't wait for that too.
Lata ia mo he whanianga he whale Akoako fōga he tawaki. Kau e lohi whoki ke tau malolo, ke tau asi tope, ke ta mai, ke la matai, ke ta usia, ke whane tō lai fufuau he whane. Lohi a tā me pesini e la maupopo mitaki, ke hei e ninga hua ki ia ka muta hungeni. Tau whakau e niki mo he atua, ke tōla tau malolo, mo isilani, mo ilutu, ke asitupe ke lata ia me whale Akoako sa hifta waki. Tau e lahi, Happy New Year to everyone. God bless.
Shee! Whakau e! Wow, we're on the main event now. People are coming to grab their stuff. Wow.
Everybody contribute.
Oh, everyone contribute.
I think so.
From far and wide.
What do you want, Majo?
I'm not too.
Some taro?
Man. Look at that. It just carries on. Endless line of kai. Man. Look at that. Look at that. Man, it smells good. Oh, homo e lolongo. Homo lahi e lolongo. Man, puata. Lolongo, maulolo e leo hao. Yeah. Whai kupu. Whai kupu. Mitaki e tutala. Homo e lolongo. Oh, tō taha fuloala. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Gee. Wow. Balu ngā fulu mā whā? Wow. Maono, September maono.
16th of September.
Gee, mitaki. Oh man, oh whakaoe. Taki a hiku tawake. Tokoi ko takataki?
Ko tupuna.
Tupuna?
Ia he Kalesia.
Kalesia.
Ia na toko whānau. I only 4 of us go to church. Me and Marcia and 2 of my daughter.
Oh.
But the other one, my youngest, your mother-in-law, she's in New Zealand.
Oh.
She goes with her husband.
Yeah. Oh, whakaoe.
Yeah.
Whakaoe. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is the important time. Wow. Yeah, oko te okai. Wow. Oko te okai. I'm going to see my uncle. Uncle Sina Panama. Homo. It's the young water. Speaker of the house. Yeah, Amy. Endless. Have some grapes.
Saw you yesterday, dear.
Good to see you again. Need some. Yeah. Here's my uncle, chicken licking. Long time. Wow. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, everyone's busy. Wow. Better get in quick before it's all gone. Look at that pig.
What happened to my food over here? Someone take it.
Wow. Look at this. 4 pigs. Yeah. Wow. There's the master carver here. Sharks. It's amazing. Look at that. Sharks. Yep. Wow. Do you have it? Do you have it? Favorite part of the day? Favorite part of the day? Wakulahi. Man, amazing. Happy I lost my Niue camera haku. I don't know who found it, but whoever found it, whakaue. Yep, this is Hokai. This is the boys, Ikutawaki. Everyone is getting their food. This is the guy that was in the Pule Whakamotu video. Himu te hingo, but I remember that fella, Christian I think his name was. Now it's time to sit and eat mohe. Oh, this is the getting told to eat. Man. The brother from Life on the Rock. Yeah. Yeah.
Man, this guy there, famous guy.
This guy's famous. Famous Umu guy.
He's coming back to the island quite often now, so good to have you back. The best. Yeah.
Always good to see you, Uncle. Whoever made the raw fish, winner. Is this pineapple pie?
Oh, very fun. Beautiful. Even that two for Niue and the watermelon. Look.
Oh man.
Fun.
Yep. Tile floors. Oh, massive fridge. Sharks. Oh, fresh. Oh, gas cooker. Ooh, brand new. Nice. Oh man, whoever gets this place, and this is the work we did. Oh yeah, this is the deck you saw last night. We started. Oh, sorry. Hey. Yeah. Coming back inside. Fear, go. Outdoor. Wow. Very good. Whakalawhātu Makau. I just went to Matapa. I wanted to do some footage, but there are a lot of kids down there and I didn't want to record. Kids everywhere. Didn't want to record without permission, so everyone knows this is the track. You've probably been here so many times, but it doesn't look the same. Yeah, I decided to come down to have a dip in the water because up at the they're having drinky time now, and I just kept on using the ice to put on my head and put on my arms, the back of my neck, on my legs, because it's velalahi aho. What's the word? I don't know. I'm not used to it yet. Haven't acclimatized, so I was just fainting a few times where I feel a bit lightheaded, just not used to the heat really. And you know, we did a lot of work. Put a like, put a comment down below what you think about the Fale Akoako. You think it's good? It's awesome, I think. So I just went to refresh myself down there. I was a little bit hesitant because all the kids I didn't think I was going to go for a swim, so I didn't bring any change of clothes. But two of the matuas said, brother, just jump in your undies. Who cares? Everyone's seen it before. Whoa, I haven't heard that line before. Old fella with a beard, he wore a F45 hat. Eilo e hingo, but yeah, he said, just jump in, brother. So we went in and swam all the way to the other end. You know, I never used to swim to the other end, but I went the last time. That's the second time I've been. Still a bit hesitant because I'm a bit I'm phobic of deep waters. So it's one of those rush swims. Have a rest on the side and rush again. It wasn't like peaceful and calmful swim, but I made it. But yeah, I'm just heading back. Just gonna go have a quick shower and hikutavake showers. Enjoy the scenery and try and drip dry on the way back. It's gonna be uncomfortable, so I'm gonna try and hint to my mama, oh, time to go away. We'll see. They're having a good time. Everyone has a good time when the alcohol's flowing. Yeah, so the feed, I don't know if you saw the food, but it was just, man, it was so much. People were coming, one person, but the car's full. Now I mama e kupu kai motoka. I had kai niue, but kai motoka means feed the car. I just clicked that today because the car was eating before the person. 2 big cans of corned beef, just went walking. But yeah, I guess that's the culture here. Yep, music's still pumping. Almost back to the shower area. It was just what I needed to jump in the pool because I was starting to faint. So I'll go back and see if my mom's okay. She's having a good time. She doesn't drink. So does my auntie Pinky. She wasn't drinking. I don't think I saw Amy drinking too. So that's cool to have people, because I don't hate it, but it's weird, awkward being the only one that's not drinking. So yeah, this is the public toilets provided by Hikutavake. It's public showers provided by Hikutavake. And I don't know if you've seen my previous video of Simon Jackson, how to move to Niue. This is what he was talking about, Hikutavake. Awesome view. So if you just look behind it, see that over here? That's ocean. And it just goes ocean all over. I'll just show you what it looks like. This is Simon's spot. Yeah, see in front there. See, that's what you see. Massive. That's just ocean, and that's massive deck behind us. These are for locals. Hard to see. That's what's. So yeah, awesome day. Great time in Niue. I'm only here for 3 nights. It's well worth it. Good to be here now. I get the excitement of preparing the food and then packing the food. Seeing everyone go crazy. Everyone was going crazy over the food. And now it's just drinky time and relax. Alright, gonna whanau ke Akoako and then I'll go back, see what's happening. And then yeah, okay. Hope you enjoyed that. That's the Fale Akoako I Hikutavake. Shout out to Ian, his crew, everyone, Emmy, Rosalind, Inga, Sina Panama. You saw everyone in the video. Pele, Dimitri, Jeremiah. Did I say Rosalind? Yeah, so many people to thank. But yep, that's it. Alright, Till next time, tō whilawea.
E motu a hai, tau se hai. Tau se mtolu, maa tolu. E no nofo ke te motu ke hike. Australia, New Zealand, Amerika. Motu tōu aki a motolu, e no nofo whanoi. E atua ni ke tamina osi, i onge tau tolu ke munuina. E tamina osi ke lalolangi ne, me te tolu tau momui. Whakatuko taha.
Moatu ki tō whawhiau ni nofo mai ke langotei e maanga tawa. Kua i tūtunu hia. E whakamole mole mai ke mtulu whakalapa. Hoko mai ke whakamalu nei. O i tūlau ke mtulu. A tau manatu mai tau whakalapa ki hea laua. Ki hao nei. Si matalahi ei e ingoa hipa. Ka? O e tūlau. Ka o e lahi. Kia mtūtu. Whakalafa ke ia. Me hana toko ko emi. Kia hao nei tūtomi hia. Ke whakaue. Whakalapalapa ke mtūlu osi.
This is my auntie. This is my auntie.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, from Dunedin now, eh?
Yeah.
How long you been there for?
I've been there 1990.
1990?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, okay.
I know Sheila.
Wow.
Your auntie Sheila.
Wow.
Sheila Cooper.
1990?
Yeah, I went down there to study.
Oh.
In 90. And a lot of, the people of Niue came to down to study as a minister.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
And then they study at the university. There's a lot of them. Yeah. And I was studying at the uni.
Really?
Yeah.
Gee.
I studied the education.
Yeah.
I studied the politics.
Yeah.
It's very good time to move around, change my life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who are you? I think you met my older brother, Haki Bear.
Hey.
He came to Dunedin.
I know. He came to graduation.
You must be the lady he's talking about.
Yeah.
Because he said you gave him the old songs.
Yeah.
Is that you?
Yeah. Yes, that's it.
Wow, I thought so. Because
Yeah.
you sound, you printed them out, the words, the old Hakupu song.
Yeah.
That's you.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
He came down.
Yes.
And we went at a workshop at the university.
Yeah.
And she was there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. So what? Ko hae hingoa hao.
Ko vai ko kumitau.
Vai kumitau.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell him.
Yeah.
I'll tell him, hey, your old friend from Dunedin.
Yeah. Amazing.
Yeah. Oh.
When he came in that night.
Yeah.
And everybody went to church, my church.
Oh.
Wow, and we sang.
He said he loved it.
Yeah.
The old songs.
Yeah.
Yeah, Auntie Vai Kumitau.
Yeah. I used to, I know your auntie Sheila.
Yeah.
Sheila Cooper.
She's a teacher, eh?
Yeah. Yeah. Long time in Niue. That's amazing to see you. You should come down to Dunedin.
We'll have to.
Yeah, don't have a rain pump. I give you the wagon people. No rain pump.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
It was amazing. You should have a workshop down in Dunedin.
I will have to come down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we contact the Niuean down there. Not many Niuean.
Okay.
Not many.
Yeah.
But I love it down there.
Yeah. Cool, eh?
Eh?
How come you love it? Wow, what's good about Dunedin?
I love a lot of Dunedin.
Dunedin. That's close to Queenstown, eh?
Eh?
Dunedin close to... Oh, Dunedin.
Yes.
That's the university.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
That's the Polytechnic University.
Yeah.
Every day. There's a lot of students down there.
I'll have to come see. You look very happy. I want to be happy like you. You got a big smile. Wow.
That's amazing. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
And I know your dad.
Yep.
Those days,
Yeah.
They used to come down to our Fale.
Okay.
Your dad and his father
Yeah.
on a motorbike.
Oh yes.
They come down and have a home food. And your granddad,
Yeah.
he loved home food. My dad wasn't making it. In the olden days, eh? And your granddad, he's working those days,
Yeah.
and he bring a whiskey for my dad, and he loved the home food.
Oh, like a trade.
Yes.
Like a trade.
Yeah.
Hey. Ah.
Those days it's a very friendship.
Yeah.
And you know, near Sampula,
Yeah.
yesterday, I know because your grandmother,
Yeah.
when your granddad is drunk, and he always, why, near Sampula, Isale, and we start singing the Isale. That's why I know the Isale.
Isale, yeah.
That's from her, those days. When he's drunk, and he called out to his wife, Kola, hey, Nisapula, Kola, Isale, and he went up and dancing.
Wow.
Your dad is so young.
Yeah. At that time.
He's so young those days. Yeah. Yeah, we changed around with fish.
Yeah.
He gave fish to your dad, Akoako.
Yeah.
And your dad always come around with one year.
Yeah.
And they do it one year and my mom doing the weaving.
Yeah.
And my dad and your grandfather do the drinking. When he drank, he goes, Wadi, Isale.
Wow. Wakoe for the stories, Auntie.
Hey?
Awesome stories.
I know. Those days is very friendly.
Yeah.
And because the granddad worked at the hospital.
Yeah.
And he got money, very lot of money.
Yeah.
And he came down and my dad always, he knows that always save a fish for your dad. My dad. And they got a whiskey. That's why I know the song, the Fijian. Nisapula. Wadi, Pula. Hey, nice to see you. Nice to meet you.
Bye, Kumitao.
Oh,
Yeah. Wakoe. All right, there you go. From Dunedin. Dunedin. Yeah, come to Dunedin, eh? Famous.
Come to study.
Yeah.
It's a good place.
Yeah.
Good place to study.
Oh.
Yeah. Because I've been there and I study and I got the degree. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, nice to see
you. Whakaoe tau is done. Just met my auntie Vai Kumitau from Dunedin. Wow, look at that. It's just pouring down. Woohoo! Apparently rain means it's a blessing. So what a way to bless the day, eh? Nice.